Welcome to how to use the STYLPRO Wavelength Pro 5-in-1 LED mask. Within your box, you will receive your LED mask, your remote control, your eye protection pads, your straps, along with your charging cable and your protection travel bag. Your mask will come pre-assembled. However, if it does arrive and the eye protection pads have come loose, here's how to pop them back in. Unpop your fastener and place the eye patch into the hole, ensuring that it's in the groove. To charge your device, use the USB provided in your box. Our 5-in-1 masks covers 5 key areas: your face, hair, neck and chest, and back. To start with, the face setting has 6 different modes. The first mode is anti-aging, featuring red light and infrared. Your second mode is target. This has 3 separate settings, and this will be highlighted in blue on your screen. Your first setting within target features 5 minutes of infrared and 10 minutes of blue LED. The lighting will change automatically throughout the 15-minute session. Your second mode within target features blue light and near infrared for a full 12 minutes. Mode 3 within target is great if your concern is throughout your T-zone. This features interchanging lights of red light, blue light and near infrared. Your next mode in green on your remote control is near infrared. This focuses on overall skin health. Your last face mode in pink on your remote control features all 3, red light, blue light and near infrared. It's in a special design pattern to target all skin concerns. For neck, chest and back, there are 4 simple modes: your red light, blue light, near infrared and all 3 combined. Mode 1 features your red light, targeting anti-aging and is 12 minutes long. Mode 2 features blue light and that is also 12 minutes. Mode 3 is near infrared, focusing on overall skin health, and this is again 12 minutes long. And your last mode is all 3 combined, targeting all concerns, and again this is 12 minutes long. The hair mode is a 15-minute session featuring deep red LED. This helps overall hair health and scalp. To turn on your device, long hold the on-off button. To change the function, short press the function button. This will change between the hair, neck, chest and back and face functions. To ensure you're on the right function, see the top panel on your remote control. Once you're on your desired function, to change the mode within that function, short press the M button. Once on your desired face mode, bring the straps to the back of the crown of the head. For the neck, chest and back section, unpop your fasteners at the side and remove your eye protection patches. Then lift your straps to the back of the neck and fasten. The mask remains the same for the back section. Join the straps at the front of the neck, like so. Prepare for the hair mode, unpop your fasteners, remove your protection eye pads and refasten at the very top, like so. Once you have turned onto your hair mode, place on the top of the head and fasten at the back. To turn off your device, long hold the on-off button. To keep clean, simply wipe with a damp cloth. Thank you for watching how to use the STYLPRO Wavelength Pro 5-in-1 LED mask.